Hey guys, welcome to our channel Shorthand Dictation with Neha. So today we start the dictation on 100 WPM within a 5 second. So guys, start करने से पहले please like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Let's start. The Industrial Policy Resolution of 1948 was good so far as it went, but unfortunately the spirit of it could not be understood or appreciated by the common man in the country. So, a new orientation of the policy was given, and the Honorable Prime Minister, after his return from China, publicly declared that the further policy of the country to rather the further pattern of society will be socialist pattern. That was the further emphasized by the resolution passed at the Avidesh session of Congress and later reflected by Sri Debar, President of the Indian National Congress. I am very glad to know and that the spirit of the has been caught by the nation today. If I may so the nation could has taken up the challenge for securing the socialist pattern of society. It believes all the section both inside of the house as well as outside without having mutual recommendation to the trial propaganda. It is sincere the inner and establish the socialist pattern of society indicated by the statement of the great leaders of our country. It may relevant and permanent if it is refer a new sentence from the memorandum present on the 4th June 1939 by our Prime Minister, who was the chairman of all the Indian planning committees which came into existence with there was a provisional autonomy for the provisions of page 39 and 40 of the report he started. It is clearly that the drawing up of comparing national plan become clear as admirable exercise with no relation of reality unless the planning authority or those to whom it is responsible are in a position to give efforts to plan. It is authority is a powerless of circumstances of restricted and has limited activity plan on the authority tries to common plan and pre-requesting for planning in thus complete freedom and independence for our country and remove all the other side control. This implies that the country possesses itself unsovereignly authority to take any measure, adopt any policy, and from any relation with the other countries may seem best to country and its people. National independence is as a independable primarily for taking all the steps that might be touched necessary for carrying out for the 5-year plan in all the various aspects throughout the whole country. At the present moment, it is clear that not only have been Indian no nation independence but heritage in the obstacle by numerous restrictions, limitations, safeguards, and reservation while block on the path of planning and process are planned for national development must therefore be drawn up for the free and independent India. Thanks to the sacrifice made by millions of our countrymen and the countrywomen under the leadership of the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, we have today scores complete sovereignty, political independence at the time when the nation of the world was engaged in the bitter struggle using all the weapons of the destruction. If therefore we have secured political independence during the period of quarantine of security, it should not be different, especially when we are today master in our own country to secure a socialist pattern of the society as has already been indicated, but it is required the assistance, the propaganda, the active workers of those who are interested in this I am sure so long as my honorable friends, the minister and the deputy minister and the other minister who represent the Commerce and Industrial Ministry can give us an assurance that the capitalist pattern would be avoided. Some of us who believe in a some percent socialist democracy give an undertaking the certain totality policy which not be introduced in the country, because we have believed all the along during the fight that we have given the Britain government when we secured political independence, that we shall try to maintain democracy unadulterating and a social democracy at the. I am absolutely certain that this country offers liberty of thought, liberty of speech, and the liberty of action will be guaranteed to every citizen to express his view in the manner they please. So, I therefore assure my honorable friends that so long as we do not in a grab of a socialist pattern should a capitalist system, India will stand 100% for a socialist democracy. Now, luckily for us, the fundamental rights of the Constitution have declared that the citizen would be assured of May of the social empathy which will give reasonable comfort from the warmth of the grave. But mere functioning, as I have said many times, will not satisfy the common man unless the saying is put into effect. I am absolutely certain, therefore, that so long as there is a determination on the part of our countrymen, we will be in a position to secure a socialist pattern of society. It is not even possible to draw up a plan or any other basis. Thank you.